Welcome again, students. Our topic this time again is curve fitting, and I'm trying to cover each and every curve. And this time we are going to fit the curve of type y is equal to ax to the power b. So the curve to be fitted is y is equal to ax to the power b. As we did in the previous lectures also, we are going to take log on both sides of the equality, and on taking log we are taking log to the base 10. So I hope you all have got the trick to find the normal equations. And so we'll put this as capital Y, a variable, and we'll put this as a constant, say capital A, plus this constant small b remains same, and we'll put this as capital X. And obviously that is, we are putting capital Y as log to the base 10y, capital A as log to the base 10a, and capital X as log to the base 10x. The normal equation can be written as sigma y. This is we did in the previous lectures also, plus b sigma capital X, and then sigma capital X and y is equal to a sigma capital X plus b sigma capital X square, where obviously this capital X and capital Y is defined here. So these two are our normal equations, and let us move and solve question number 1. And our question number 1 is, we have to find a relation of the form y is equal to ax to the power b. That is, we have to fit this curve in the data given in the question. So we are going to fit this curve for the given data. We remember that the normal equation which is derived here is sigma y is equal to n capital A plus b was small sigma x, and sigma capital XY is equal to a sigma capital X plus b is the small one which is in the question, or you can say in this relation, okay, where capital Y is equal to log to the base 10y, log to the base 10y, capital X is equal to log to the base 10x, and capital A is equal to log to the base 10. Let us make the column as per it is given in the question. So we are going to write x and y. X is 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let us write the corresponding value of y, that is 27.8, 62.1, 110 and 161. Now we have to calculate capital X, which is log to the base 10x. We have to calculate capital Y, which is log to the base 10y. See, in the normal equation we need summation of capital Y, summation of xy. So I'm taking xy and the last one x square. So let us find the value of log 10x. You may use your calculator, and it is 0.3010, 0.4771, 0.6021, 0.6990. Similarly, find the log of capital small y. It is 1.4440, 1.7931, and then 2.0414, and then 2.2068. Multiply capital X and capital Y. So I had filled the values of x square and x into y. Let us find the sigma value, that is summation. We'll find summation of capital X as 2.0792, and sigma capital Y is 7.4853. Let us find the value of sigma capital XY. This is coming out to be 4.0618. And if we find the value of sigma x square, it is coming out to be 1.1693. Let us put all the values in our normal equation, in this equation. So sigma y is 7.4853 is equal to 4a, because n is 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, n is 4, plus 2.0792b, because small b is same as it in the graph. Now sigma xy, it is 4.0618 is equal to 2.0792 capital A plus 1.1693b. Now students, two equations, two unknowns. Let us find the value of unknowns. So unknowns are capital A and small b. So capital A is coming out to be 0.8678 and small b is coming out to be 1.9311. If you remember what is capital A, let us see what is capital A. Capital A is assumed to be log to the base 10a. Let us put this value and find the anti-log. So it is log to the base 10a. So on taking the anti-log of 0.8678, we'll get 7.376. Now put all the values in the curve a x to the power b. So we are putting the values, and on putting the value we'll get 7.376, which is a x to the power. Now the value of b is 1.9311. So this is the curve of type y is equal to a x to the power b, which we fitted for this given data, the data given in the question. If you still have any queries, you may please write in the chat.